how to enable or disable contact syncing with iCloud on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage iCloud contact sync step by step. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID name at the top of the screen. Next, select iCloud. Under Apps using iCloud, tap Show All if you don't see contacts right away. Now find Contacts and tap on it. To sync your contacts with iCloud, make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. If you want to stop syncing contacts to iCloud, simply turn the toggle off. When disabling sync, your iPhone may ask whether you want to keep a copy of your contacts on the device or remove them from the iPhone. Choose the option that works best for you. Once enabled, your contacts will automatically sync across all Apple devices signed in with the same Apple ID. And that's how to turn contact syncing on or off with iCloud on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iCloud guides, and troubleshooting tutorials.